Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Doterra, the Terrashield Essential Oil Repellent Blend. If you're someone who loves the great outdoors but wants to keep pesky bugs at bay, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. This Terrashield blend isn't just any ordinary bug repellent. It's formulated with a carefully selected combination of natural ingredients, harnessing the power of Mother Nature herself to provide you with effective outdoor protection. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply enjoying a backyard barbecue, this essential oil blend acts as a potent barrier against unwanted insects. Now, let's talk about what makes this blend so special. With key ingredients like eucalyptus and lemon, it not only wards off bugs but also leaves behind a refreshing, citrusy scent. Plus, it's safe for the whole family to use, so you can enjoy your outdoor adventures worry-free. But that's not all. This blend also offers additional benefits beyond bug protection. Thanks to its soothing properties, it can help calm and soothe dry, scratchy throats, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts year-round. That wraps up today's review of the best Doterra Terrashield blend on the market. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques and reviews. Until next time, happy exploring!